Okay, we're now live on YouTube.
Judge, you have
Now
the
I'm going
Spanish on now?
Yeah, I'm about to do that. I'm about to hit the interpretation button. And I'm typing in Arlene's name. And that typed in. And now I'm hitting the Spanish, the English only button. So is it done on his side, please?
We're checking. Is it? Yeah, he's ready, Judge.
Okay. Okay. All right, Mr. Guzman Manda. Can you raise your right hand for me? Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. If we have a Spanish interpreter, I expect him to speak Spanish. Otherwise, we don't need to have the interpreter. So, can you speak English or do you speak only Spanish, sir?
Does he speak Spanish?
Español.
Okay. So, put your hand down.
Okay.
Answer everything in Spanish.
All right. Now, I'm going to share my screen. Is your name Juan Guzman Manda?
Sí.
Or is it Guzman Manda or Juan Guzman? What is it?
His name is
Guzmán
Juan,
Banda.
and Guzman Manda is his last name.
Okay. Are you the same Juan Guzman Manda who in this cause number 2026 CC 004399 who's charged with the offense with driving while intoxicated with a blood alcohol content of 0.15 or more in your body? Is that you?
Sí.
For this offense, it is possible that you could be punished anywhere from a minimum of 30 days in jail up to a maximum of 1 year in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $4,000. Do you understand what you're charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
Sí.
Looking at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video. You've signed it, so is your attorney. When you signed this document, you told me it was okay to do this by video. Is that right?
Sí.
Now looking at another document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. And you have signed it and your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Sí.
Did your attorney explain this document to you?
Sí.
And do you understand it?
Sí.
Are you, okay, let me sign this document 1 minute. Are you a citizen of the United States?
No.
You understand that a plea of guilty or finding guilty could affect your immigration status in this country?
Sí.
In other words, if you have a green card, it's possible you can lose your green card. It's possible you can lose your right to become a naturalized American citizen. It's possible that you can be deported. Do you understand those three possibilities?
Oh, sí.
Ms. Garcia, did you talk to your attorney, to your client about the possible immigration consequences, and does he understand them?
Yes, Judge, I did.
Okay. I'm now looking, and does he understand them? I'm sorry.
Yes, he does understand them.
Okay. I'm now looking at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You have signed this, and so is your attorney. When you signed this document, what you did in effect was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, sir?
Sí.
So then, to the offense of driving while intoxicated with a blood alcohol content of 0.15 or more in your body, how do you plead, sir? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No me pongo.
Okay, 1 minute, please. You understand that on a plea no contest that the court can still find you guilty anyway. Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No.
Besides the plea bargain agreement that your lawyer got for you, besides that, apart from that, has someone promised you something in order to get you to do this?
No.
Or are you doing this plea of your own free will?
Sí.
Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please recite it?
$0 fine, court cost, 50 days, Bear County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrently. He has at least 27 days in so far.
That's
I'm going to
correct,
go ahead and
Judge.
I'm
Thank
going
you,
to judge
Judge.
to satisfy the case. Do you agree with that, Ms. Garcia?
I do, Judge.
Do you agree with that, Mr. Guzman?
Sí.
The court, sir, then having heard you plead no contest on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs, 50 days in the Bear County Jail. Give you credit for time served, time and money run current. The judgment is satisfied. Let me sign the Spanish stuff. 1 minute. Do you know if this is the only case holding your client, Ms. Garcia?
Yes, Judge, he's got an immigration hold.
Okay. But as far as this case is concerned, this case will no longer hold you, sir, but you still have an immigration hold. All right. Good luck to you. And Teresa, thank you for helping us out today. You can be excused. Okay.
Thank you, Judge. Bye-bye.
Okay. And
Sí.
what happened with Joanne de Hoyos?
Bueno.
Breakout
She's
room.
still in a room with her client? Okay. All right. Debbie, can you stick your head in there and see if she's close or not? Because I want to do the pause and all of a sudden interrupted because she's ready.
We're on YouTube. I was going to ask you something. Judge,
Okay.
will you give Janiyah permission to correct the conditions on Bowman? I had included the ones he signed and you signed, the transfer, and then at the bench he decides to
Yeah.
stay here.
Right.
May she correct
Yes,
that?
Janae, you can scratch that out and just leave it as a probation.
There you go. And you can even, you have permission to put my initials if you want.
Okay,
You can
thank
even
you.
use my initials if you want. Who knows?
There you go. Oh, yeah, that tops me right there. Put HPC on there.
You're gonna have to
Can we
stop.
let the dreaded interpreter leave?
Yes.
Can we excuse the interpreter?
Oh, we're done, Judge. So it was the only inmate we needed her for.
Okay, thank you, Arlene. You can be excused. Bye-bye.
Also, Judge, if I
Okay,
may,
so-
I got with Attorney De Hoyos. She said he just accepted the deal, so she's gonna work on that right now with him. So it'll be just a few more minutes.
Okay, then let's just go ahead and I'll take us off live tube again. And